Greetings and salutations, accounting technology fans, and welcome to another Accountech Bytes. We missed last week for reasons I'll go into at the end, so there is a lot to pack in. So let's get started and take a look at the week in accounting technology. So first up, I covered new software NoQ. So this promises to remove the pain for accountants calling HMRC. They're pretty backed up at the moment, all the helplines, and essentially it offers a concierge service where you subscribe, dial the number, and when an HMRC agent is on the line, then they'll call you back. But should the problem it aimed to solve even exist? Is the current state of the helplines merely commodifying access to a taxpayer-funded service? Big questions, all of which are addressed in the article, a link to which is in the description to this video. And if you're watching on social, please subscribe, like, or follow. That would be very helpful, thank you. Xerocon's back. So last year, Xero announced that their Xerocon shows would be, instead of having 3 a year, the wonderful Heather Smith, I think, covered that for us last year, the 3 Xerocons. They were going to space them out 1 a year in the various territories, so Australia, America, and the UK. And it is London's turn at the XL 12th to the 13th of June 2024. So put that in your diaries, Xero fans. Xero have also announced changes coming to their contact overview page. So yeah, they've just included main information at the top of the page and added a few other bits and pieces as well, including a search and filter. A fairly decent reaction to this from Xero fans that I have seen. Whoops, sorry. Slight disappointment the money in Outgraph is being removed, but yeah, by and large, a decent reaction. On to our artificial intelligence section now, and Simon Luke from First AML, who is an AML software tool, has written for us about the potential for these new generative AI tools to clone or copy biometric data and threaten to sweep away existing ID verification tech that's used in Know Your Customer tools. So yeah, a few tips and tricks to get around that. Thank you, Simon. And staying with AI, so this is from Anna Money, the e-money account for businesses and sole traders. They have added a GPT-powered tax bot, so they've strapped it to HMRC's guidance, and they're asking for accountants to give it a road test. Potentially in the future you could sort of embed it on your site. Your clients could get answers to basic questions. Here's one I prepared earlier. Let's see how it gets on with this one. It's chugging away there. They did say they were going to sort of get the answers to this. Oh, hold on. Yeah, we've got 3 years and a link. Well, that's helpful. Thank you, Tax Terrapin. And a final one from AI Corner here. Avalara have launched a sales tax calculator plugin. So it's an integrated plugin for ChatGPT that will allow users to ask the platform to calculate and research sales tax rates based on the location. This is over in the States at the moment. Obviously, different states have different sales tax regimes, but they have talked about rolling it out to other regions as well. We interrupt this broadcast for a promotional message. If you're an accountant struggling with a lack of capacity at the moment in terms of staffing issues, then please take this survey and tell us all about it. It would be incredibly helpful for us, for me. I won't need to continue promoting it, and I can get on with my get on with my day job, but also you will receive all the insights from the reports and have a chance to win a voucher as well. FYI Software are upping their collaboration game, so they've recently announced that they're partnering with Iris and CCH sort of to offer cloud document storage and management, and they've also partnered with My Workpapers, so cloud workpaper tool as well. So yeah, interesting times, and hopefully more news from FYI soon. And another partnership, so Chaser have used their partnership with embedded finance player Unipass to offer a new payment solution that they've integrated into the Chaser platform. So this is Chaser Pay, where users can embed pay now buttons or links to the invoice reminders that Chaser software sends out, and that gives you multiple payment options. So card payments, direct debit, bank transfer, that kind of thing. So congratulations to both there. Here's a little tip from ICAW tech guy Ian Pay. So Outlook users can type '// and that will allow you then to search for files on SharePoint or OneDrive directly. I'm guessing the GIF isn't going because I've already looked at it. So if you click the link, then you can get to it. Now, we do give HMRC a fair amount of stick on Accounting Web generally, whether it's their phone lines or Making Tax Digital or a host of other things. So I think when credit's due, we ought to give it. So congratulations to HMRC, who have won Best Public Sector Employer Awards at the Women in Tech Employer Awards. So congratulations, HMRC. Staying with the world of civil service, this was a civil servant who mined cryptocurrency on government property. He wasn't working for HMRC, by the way. He was a mechanical engineer at the UK Atomic Energy Authority. It's probably more worrying, isn't it? But yes, he used government property to mine Litecoin. More details in the story. And finally, from just a general corporate world reflection here, this on Twitter, a comedian who presumably has a part-time job as well, cracked a joke on his Teams chat and got 18 laughing emojis, which he considers the corporate version of a standing ovation. Well, there we go. No standing ovations needed for this video, but if you'd be kind enough to pop your email address in the box and let the yellow button do the work, then you can receive accounting technology updates every Thursday from yours truly. Apologies for the gear shift. I did mention earlier that there wasn't a video put out last week. This was because, as we reported on the site, our editor-at-large, John, passed away very suddenly, as well as having an immense, making an immense contribution to Accounting Web and the accounting profession in general, which you can read about on this report. He was a fantastic friend, mentor and colleague who we'll all miss incredibly. So thank you very much for watching this video, and we will see you next week. Bye.